Finally, we have tried the most talked about traditional Vietnamese restaurant in Poblacion, and here are my honest thoughts. Hey Jorelski's, Hanoi Pho is a hidden restaurant in Poblacion, Makati. Honestly, okay naman yung place, very traditional. But I have my comments later, but let's just dive in first dun sa mga food nila. First na dumating from our order was their egg coffee. Hindi ko sure kung dahil mataas na yung tolerance ko with coffee, but it lacks that strong kick. Not too creamy, medyo foamy na yung ibabaw. Sadly, their pho was not available during that time, but this buncha actually saved. Medyo bihira among the Vietnamese restaurants to serve this buncha, and actually nag-enjoy ako here. Noodles were cooked right for my liking. Yung sauce could have been more fresher, and yung meat's much better siguro to if much smokier flavors. But okay naman siya when you dip it together with the noodles, dun sa sauce. In fairness, they complemented well together naman talaga. We also ordered their fried spring rolls. Ito okay naman din siya, crispy, and okay siya when you dip it with the sauce that goes with it. For their banh mi, okay yung bun nila, and the taste is actually close to the traditional banh mi in Vietnam, and better to add the sauce as well for that perfect taste. Ended with their mango shake, which is pretty good as well. Comments ko lang was the cleanliness of the place must be improved. Then I would suggest to have a dedicated server at the second floor para na-attend kagad yung needs ng mga customers at hindi pagod yung mga servers. Kitang-kita ko kasi yung pagod nila. Yun lang, cheers!